I wanted to show you, I have a little bed along the side of the pool here. And a year ago, I planted daisies here. And last year they were just beautiful. Now this year, they haven't done anything. And it is September 18th. And then within the last couple of days, they all have buds on them. All of them, and a lot of buds. Very late in the year for this. I don't know why. But as you can see, they're probably going to bloom within the next week. And there'll be a lot of flowers. And I'll take a follow-up picture of the flowers. But I'm kind of curious why they might have done that this year. I've been taking care of them, I've been watering them. But now all of a sudden, I've got nothing but buds all over the place. If you got any ideas on that, just leave a comment below, please. Thank you. They're even like coming up out of nowhere and propagating themselves. But I'm interested to see what you think. Thank you.